Welcome guys, and I'm doing a cleaning video today guys, so like. So today I'm cleaning my sitting room guys, so like this video and yeah, subscribe. So I'm starting to vacuum my seats and getting out all the dust guys. It has a lot of dust since I stay an area where there's a cement factory, and a lot of dust gets into this house guys. So I'm going to vacuum every inch and mop every inch guys. And yes, this is thorough cleaning, getting all the dirt out guys. So yes, today I have a lot of work. Guys, I am cleaning the cover sheets of my sheet. The covers of my seats, and here they are. I'm doing laundry. I've put them. Look at the water. It's so dirty. Like wow. I think I will do this like 20 minutes. Look at this. They are very dirty. So yes, let me go. And I am DIY this washing machine guys. I wanted that to be another video of me how I wash my clothes with this machine and draining my water in my bathroom. You see, this is the draining tab for the washing machine, and that's another video. I'll show you guys how I do it. I bought this one. It comes with another pipe like this one, but I bought this one since this one is long. I just put it here, and the other one I put it in my bathroom there so that the water can get in, and this one I'm draining my water from the washing machine, the dirty water. So tune up for that video how I wash my clothes with this washing machine. I DIY since we don't have a laundry space, another laundry space. These houses we rent, they don't build around laundry space for us guys. So yes, I'm cleaning my covers for my seat, and I'm going back to vacuum the floor, remove my curtains, wash my wipe my windows and everything. You see. So I'm getting my cushion up to get sunlight guys. So yes, I don't want smell. So guys, I'm taking out my dirty curtains and I'm going to clean these windows guys, so I can put fresh curtains, clean curtains guys.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing at all. So what, if you're stupid then you know there's nothing wrong. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna.
So I've washed the covers of my seats and I'm going just to put them up here for them to dry, guys, to get the sunlight, guys.
So what? If you're stupid, then you know there's nothing wrong. But you and me got a whole other meaning. I don't know how. But you and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
And here is my finished sitting area, guys, cleaned and everything arranged, guys, and other things I've arranged in other places like the green flower. So yes, I hope you like this video, guys, and go give it a thumbs up and subscribe, guys, to this channel for more lifestyle video, guys.
Meaning I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say